Humanoid robots are advanced machines designed to mimic the appearance and movements of the human body. These robots are used in various industries such as customer service, inspection, and maintenance. With their human-like skin, eyes, and ability to express emotions and communicate like humans, they are becoming increasingly popular. In this guide, we will highlight the two most advanced humanoid robots currently available in the world. Nadine. Nadine is a cutting-edge humanoid robot designed to interact with people in a human-like manner. With her empathetic abilities, Nadine can greet you, make eye contact, shake your hand, and even recall previous conversations with you. She boasts a realistic appearance, complete with lifelike skin and hair, and has the ability to exhibit a range of emotions and moods. Nadine uses a combination of cameras, microphones, and other sensors to gather information about her environment and recognize different faces, gestures, and emotions. This allows her to respond in a relevant and appropriate manner. Humanoid DK. The Humanoid DK is a highly realistic humanoid robot modeled after the Henry Scarf of the University of Aalborg. Developed through a collaboration between a Japanese company and Osaka University, this latest iteration of the Humanoid series took 9 months to create. Directed by Hiroshi Ishiguro, the director of the university's Intelligent Robotics Laboratory, the Humanoid DK is designed to be an ultra-realistic android. The robot's appearance, behavior, and even the way it shrugs were modeled after scarf, and strands of his own hair were used for the robot's wig. This level of realism has led many people to mistake robots for real people. The main goal of the Humanoid DK is to create a humanoid that appears completely human. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos.